Hi, I'm Mitch Haft, Product Marketing Manager at Mini Circuits. Mini Circuits offers a wide selection of RF cable assemblies, from hand-formable to test and measurement cables. Typically, these cables are in stock and available in different length connectors, configurations, and styles. Today, we are talking about flexible cables, series CBL and CBN. This is our CBL cable assembly. CBL-series performs from DC to 18 gigahertz. They feature extra rugged construction with 3-layer adhesive boot strain relief for longer field-proven attachment life and a 5,000 mate stainless steel connectors for longer mating cycles. CBL is a triple shielded cable for excellent shielding effectiveness. The minimum band radius is 2 inches and exhibits excellent stability of insertion loss, biswar, and phase versus flexure. These cables are useful over the temperature range of -55 to 105 degrees Celsius. Typical insertion loss is less than 2 dB for a 3-foot long cable. These cables make an excellent choice for use in high-volume production, test stations, research and development labs, or as a replacement for OEM test cable. As you can see, we are testing our CBL cable in a 3-foot length to show the insertion loss and return loss for this cable. The other cable series I wanted to talk about today is our CBN-series. These test and measurement cables work DC to 26.5 gigahertz and have truly superior phase and amplitude stability versus flexure. The key feature of these cables is that they are extremely flexible and can be configured in very tight bends. The cable is built with a stranded center conductor, tape-wrapped core, triple shielding, and polyurethane outer jacket. Combined, they contribute to a very significant increase in cable flexibility. These cables are perfect for test and measurement applications, high-speed data systems, precision measurements, research and development labs, and device characterization, and particularly equipment rack and stack interconnects, where tight and limited spacing presents routing challenges. Our previous video demonstrated these CBN cables with respect to phase and amplitude change as we flex them. As you can see, we are now testing our CBN cable in a 3-foot length to show the excellent insertion loss and return loss for these cables. The tape-wrapped core makes the CBN more than 10% lower loss than CBL. This can be important in longer lengths or where multiple cables within a system require lower combined attenuation from the interconnects. Our CBN-series is available from 1 foot to 15 feet with SMA, N, or TNC connector configurations. They are in stock and available to purchase now. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Remember, Mini Circuits is your one-stop shop for all your RF and microwave test accessories.